A promise in real life is like a placeholder for something that we are going to do for somebody in the future. It's the same in case of ES6 version of JavaScript as well. A promise is a placeholder for something in the future. So a promise helps us with asynchronous programming. When we have multiple things happening in our application, we can execute each one of them synchronously at runtime, that is one line after the other. Or if a particular line is taking a lot of time, for example here, if the DB call is taking a lot of time, instead of waiting for it, we can asynchronously process it and we can execute the REST call in parallel while the DB call is finishing. Typically, without promises, before ES6, we would pass a function, a callback function to this DB call, which is the asynchronous function, and the DB call is responsible for calling the callback function whenever it finishes. But starting ES6 version, we can use promises. Promises serve the same functionality of callbacks, but with a nicer syntax and better error handling. A promise returns the same function as a callback function. You will see promises in action in the next few lectures.